Ever thought about your fitness goals? How do you plan to achieve them? Mulling over these questions is the first step towards overall wellness. It's essential to have a fitness goal and a solid plan to reach it, but that's just the foundation. You see, a sturdy house isn't built with foundation alone. It requires strong walls and a sturdy roof. Similarly, your fitness journey requires more than just a goal and a plan. Enter weightlifting and healthy eating, your strong walls and sturdy roof. Weightlifting, or strength training, is a powerful tool for building muscle, increasing strength, and improving bone density. Combine this with a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, and you've got yourself a robust, well-rounded fitness plan. These nutrients are key for muscle repair and growth, as well as maintaining those all-important energy levels. It's not about the destination, but the journey. Let's embark on this fitness journey together. Have you ever considered weightlifting as part of your fitness routine? Let's dive into the compelling reasons why you should. Weightlifting, also known as strength training, is an integral part of any well-rounded fitness program. Let's start with the most obvious benefit: muscle building. When you lift weights, you're essentially breaking down muscle fibers, but don't panic, this is a good thing. Your body responds by repairing these fibers and making them stronger and larger. That's how muscles grow. So if you're looking to sculpt your physique, weightlifting is a powerful tool. Now, on to strength. It's not just about lifting heavy items without straining your back, though that is a bonus. Increased strength can improve your performance in everyday activities, from carrying groceries to climbing stairs, making life just that little bit easier. Plus, it aids in injury prevention. Strong muscles provide better support for your joints, which can help prevent injuries. Let's not forget about bone density. It's a lesser-known fact that weightlifting can help improve bone health. Our bones are living tissues that can be strengthened through weightlifting, much like muscles. This can be particularly beneficial as we age and our bones naturally lose density, increasing the risk of osteoporosis. There are many myths about weightlifting that might be holding you back. You might be worried that it's only for bodybuilders or that it will make you too bulky. But the truth is, weightlifting is for everyone. It's a versatile form of exercise that can be adjusted to suit your goals, whether you want to tone up, build strength, or improve your overall health. And as for becoming too bulky, that requires a specific and intense training and diet regimen. The average person who adds weightlifting to their routine will experience muscle growth, but not to the extreme you might be picturing. Remember, weightlifting is not about becoming the Hulk. It's about strengthening your body and enhancing your health. It's about feeling capable, confident, and strong in your own skin. So why not give it a try? What's on your plate? Is it helping you reach your fitness goals? When it comes to fitness, what you eat is just as important as the weights you lift. Let's dive into the significance of a balanced diet and how it complements weightlifting for optimal wellness. First off, let's talk about proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of our muscles. They facilitate muscle repair and growth, especially after an intense weightlifting session. Lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, fish, and plant-based proteins like lentils and quinoa are ideal. They're packed with all the essential amino acids your muscles crave, without the extra saturated fats that could derail your fitness journey. Next up, whole grains. These are your body's main energy source. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole grain bread provide slow-releasing carbohydrates that fuel your workouts and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. They also contain fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full, curbing those pesky cravings. Now let's not forget fruits and vegetables. They're not just for decoration on your plate. Fruits and vegetables are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. They aid in muscle recovery, strengthen your immune system, and provide the necessary nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. Plus, they add a splash of color and variety to your meals, making healthy eating more enjoyable. Finally, remember to hydrate. Water is crucial for every bodily function, including muscle contraction and nutrient transportation, so keep that water bottle close by, especially during workouts. In essence, a balanced diet is like a symphony, where each food group plays a unique yet harmonious role. Lean proteins for muscle repair and growth, whole grains for sustained energy, fruits and vegetables for overall health, and water for hydration and nutrient transportation. All these elements work together to support your weightlifting efforts and promote overall wellness. Your plate is a reflection of your fitness journey. Make sure it's filled with the right nutrients. Your next meal is more than just food. It's an opportunity to fuel your fitness goals. So, choose wisely and eat healthily. How do weightlifting and healthy eating connect on your path to wellness, you might ask? Well, they intertwine in a beautifully symbiotic relationship to enhance your overall well-being. Let's delve into their connection. Weightlifting, as we've established, is a powerful tool for building muscle and increasing strength. It triggers a process in your body known as muscle protein synthesis. This is where your body repairs the muscle fibers damaged during a workout and builds them back stronger. But where does it get the raw materials for this process? That's right, from the nutrients in the food you eat. Here's where healthy eating comes in. A balanced diet provides your body with the necessary nutrients for muscle repair and growth. Proteins, for instance, are the building blocks of muscle. They break down into amino acids during digestion, which your body then uses in muscle protein synthesis. Consuming sufficient protein, especially after a workout, is vital for optimal muscle recovery and growth. Carbohydrates are also crucial. They break down into glucose, your body's primary energy source. Consuming carbohydrates before a workout gives you the energy to lift heavier and train harder. After a workout, they replenish your glycogen stores, promoting faster recovery. But it's not all about proteins and carbs. Vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats play essential roles too. They aid in everything from energy production to inflammation control, boosting your performance and recovery. So, you see, weightlifting and healthy eating are like two peas in a pod. One triggers the need for nutrients, and the other fulfills it. But their connection goes beyond the gym and the kitchen. Combined, they contribute to improved body composition, increased bone density, better mood, and enhanced overall health. Remember, your body is like a high-performance machine. It needs both fuel and maintenance to run smoothly. Weightlifting provides the maintenance by strengthening your muscles and bones. Healthy eating provides the fuel by supplying the necessary nutrients. Therefore, if you're serious about your wellness journey, it's critical to balance both. Ignoring one over the other can lead to suboptimal results. Weightlifting and healthy eating are two sides of the same fitness coin. They work best when they work together. After all, wellness is not a destination, but a journey. And this journey is best navigated with a barbell in one hand and a fork in the other. So, what have we learned today about our fitness journey? We've delved into the realm of weightlifting, understanding its critical role in promoting overall wellness and fitness. Remember the power of strength training. It builds muscle, increases strength, and improves bone density. It's not just about looking good, but feeling good and strong from within. It's about the ability of your body to withstand the rigors of daily life and the resilience it provides in the face of adversity. As we have explored, the journey doesn't end with the weight rack. It extends to the kitchen, where mindful choices about what we put into our bodies can make a significant difference. A balanced diet, rich in lean proteins, whole grains, fruits and vegetables, provides the necessary nutrients for muscle repair and growth and sustained energy levels. It's not about restrictive diets or quick fixes, but a sustainable lifestyle change that prioritizes health and well-being. We've also connected the dots between weightlifting and healthy eating, understanding how they work in synergy. One without the other is like a bike with only one wheel. You won't get very far. The act of lifting weights breaks down muscle fibers, and it's through rest and the right nutrition that these fibers repair, grow, and become stronger. The strength you gain from weightlifting is fueled by the nutrients you consume. It's a powerful combination that leads to a healthier lifestyle. It's important to remember that everyone's fitness journey is unique. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, and what works for one person may not work for another. The key is to find what works for you, to listen to your body, and to make adjustments along the way. Remember, your fitness journey is unique to you. Weightlifting and healthy eating are tools you can use to make that journey smoother and healthier. Here's to your wellness.